Alright, so in this video I'm going to build something simple but actually useful. It's a basic fitness logging system. Something you could use for tracking gym sessions, mindset notes, diet, anything like that. Now I already have the code written. I wanted to test it first, make sure it worked. So I'm just going to run through this code and the code with tutorial, and the files used will be on the website, which is codingwithresilience.wordpress.com. First thing we do here is import the date time module. We're just giving ourselves the ability to timestamp each entry, and that's what makes it feel like a real system, not just random text. So the next one right here, we're getting the file name, and then we're stripping any remaining white space. And we're also doing the same for the category. And we're getting the log entry, like the message with the category, because we're not going to strip the white space off of that one because the user's entering it. So just to recap, this one here, we asked the user for a file name. So instead of hard coding anything, the user controls where the data goes. And like I said, strip just removes extra spaces. And the next one, the category one, we're just organizing things into categories, and we're just asking them what category they want to put it in. And this one here, log entry, is the actual content, the actual input. So we're going to create a timestamp for each entry in a readable format. So that's basically what we're doing with this line. And we're formatting the string here into one structured line. So it's all formatted into one single readable log entry. And we're opening the file here to append to it, so we don't want to overwrite it. And we're going to ask how many entries to display, from 1 to 99. So when we get down here, we're going to be opening the file to read it and print it, right around here. So we switch to read mode. We pull every line from the file into a list so we can slice it. And we only show the most recent entries based on user input. So if you type 5, it shows the last 5 logs. And at the bottom we got error handling. So if anything goes wrong with the file system, we can catch it instead of crashing. That's the same thing as the value error. Now let's do a test of the code. Category, we'll put gym. And there it is. It runs just like we should do. We should want it to. Now I'm still learning Python again myself, but I thought I would share some stuff I was working on in my own activities. I used to program back when I was 13 to 18, and then in my early 20s. But I took a break from it again until my late 20s, and then I took a break from it until now when I'm 35, so I got a bit of catching up to do.